Okay. Welcome again, bidders. We want to read the results of the opening of the technical bid. Okay. First bidder, Adlib. The group had considered the technical folder as failed. This is failure to submit documents. Well, failure to submit a copy 2. Copy 2 was different for a different bid, so we considered it as non-submission of copy 2. That's in violation of section 20.27. 20.2 of the bidding documents, particularly under the instruction to bid. Yes.
In the same instructions to bidders, sir, from admin, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes.
In the same instructions to bidders, it's also stated that in case there's a conflict, then the original and the copies, the original shall prevail. And also in substance, our offer to the procuring entity is contained in the originals, which is the original copy, which is complete. And also, sir, in the event of this explanation is not sufficient, we move that the decision to declare a failure be deferred after we've opened the 3 bids. Means, in essence, we've submitted every single document that you need after we open the 3 technical envelopes for the 3 bids.
So you will consider all 3 bids as there's a motion for reconsideration.
Sir, can we go to ITB? I think it's 20.7 po ata.
Where it actually outlines yung prevailing.
Yes, also 20.5. Bid envelopes that are not proper seal mark as a shall not be rejected, but only that the back shall acknowledge this condition.
Project. I think this refers to 20.5 properly sealed and marked. So, markings ng puller type.
Sir, can we borrow a copy of the results, sir? I'd just like to point out the pertinent provision stating that the original should prevail in case there's a conflict in the original copies.
If there's only discrepancy on one document, doon lang sinusunod yung original.
Sir,
pero kulang kang isang copy.
$19.2, sir.
Yes, 19.2 milestone for formatting the actual. Yes.
So, sir, we would like to manifest that the discrepancy mentioned does not distinguish between documents.
Yes, and there's also already been a GPPB rulings on.
Also, ma'am, we would also like to manifest that Um, this would only require the the non-discretionary pass-fail would only require that the documents to be present. I think all documents are present.
No, it's not. Copy 2 is not considered present because it's for another.
We have the platinum certificate in copy 2. We have the statements. There's a conformity with technical specification. There's a schedule for there's a non-ambiguous warrant statement. So persons are absent without just checking the presence of the documents. I think that we would
What is for
be
another
able to.
project?
Sure.
It's for another project. How can you consider it present for this project? Maybe you can consider it present for the next project, which is also.
Sir,
We're sir, we're going back. We keep going back on the absence, sir. But again, we are also going by on the same format that everybody's been reading under 19.2. Should there be any discrepancies between the originals and the copies, everything is present within the original submission naman.
Yeah,
So-
I understand.
Yep.
You have a point, but at this point, for me, we have a way naman that you can be reconsidered. You can file a motion for reconsideration. Within 3 days, then the body can.
yeah, sir. We are moving that the declaration of failure be deferred until after the third envelope, the third bid that we participated be open. Kasi in essence, we've submitted all the documents to the preferred entity.
What if the other documents are also
Yun nga po, kaya po i-defer po natin.
They want to open the other documents and then we're interchanging the docs and that's not allowed to interchange the folders. It's all, of course, it's copy 2 only. You're saying original will suffice, etc. So for me,
Yes, sir. Sir, our bid or offers contains the original bid, which I think is complete. So on the copies, I don't think it would substantially alter our offer and our qualification, our eligibility to participate.
That's for my standpoint. And if your prerogative is it's missing and overriding this, nothing changes in our offer in terms of technicality
Our offer,
wise and price wise. Nothing changes naman.
We go to the spirit of 9184, sir, that I don't think the copies are meant to be an additional eligibility document.
Right. It's
Or a
always
bidder to
good.
be eligible.
yeah,
In essence, we've presented the
I understand your point. So your request now is to, I cannot entertain that request to interchange this.
No, ma'am.
No.
After we wait for
first we're appealing, sir. If wala po, if you're really set on giving us a fail rating, we'd like to. That's only the time that we'd like to move for deferral.
Or maybe we should
When we ask
reconvene.
for
Because your request is a little. I have to request for another research.
Okay, sir.
We have to wait. Buti kayo po past sila kasi. Can we ask for another recess?
Please.
We want to accommodate you further.
That's all we want because in the spirit of 9184, that's whatever's been said and done.
Yeah.
Nothing's
We
changed.
will have to agree as a group.
Of course, understood.
Sir, can you check po yung 19.2 and 19.3, yung may discrepancy na original with paper?
The bidder shall prepare and submit an original
Original ito pa. Original sa
Yung hindi na pwede sinisipay.
Each and every page of the bid form, including the schedule, etc.
Bid 4. Anong bid 4?
Itong kaya?
Yung
Financial. Makapos ka araw? Ay, pause mo.
So the 19.2. So in regards to discrepancies of folder 1, the copy 1 and 2, original will prevail. Anyway, they have a copy 1 to nila is correct. So consider po namin.
Thank you.
Any objections from the other team? Consider na po. But we just proceed. Anyway, this is the first part. Then we will have part 1. So, yeah. So, guard all, facilities protection, guard all past, facilities protection incorporated past info, Boston Home Incorporated past. Advid is also past. Thank you. So, we proceed with the opening of the financial folders. We open Adlib again first. At based on the submission.
Based on the submission, Mr. Chairman, the records related 3 financial components. RP1, original financial component, RP1 and RP2. Also with different financial impact.
Same as the
We will open this in the line. Either
Hanggang dyan. Hanggang dyan. Ikaw mo pala.
Mr. Chairman, on record, on the financial component, submitted CBIT form for the project supply, delivery, installation, and commission of 2 units portable under vehicle inspection system in conformity with the billing docs. The sum of 13,680,000 pesos. The document is signed by Mines Gilby and Bond. Next, submitted the bill of quantities. 1 portable under vehicle inspection system. For 2 quantities, amount of 13,680,000 pesos. Also signed by the latter. Next, submitted a form for goods offered from abroad. So, the document submitted by the latter. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. That's it. For its financial component of RP.
Thank you, Coach. Can we open guard all financial photos?
Next submitted, Mr. Chairman, submission of Gargoyle Electronic Security System for the record submitted with 3 sealed envelope, the original financial component, copy 1 and copy 2.
Next one, ito ang nangyari. Ito ang original niya.
Put on record, Mr. Chairman, Gargoyle Electronic System submitted bid 4 for the same project. They offered an amount of 13,978,000. It is signed by Derek Ramsey. Also, the bill of quantities submitted with 2 units under vehicle inspection system. Amount of 13,978,000. Same signed Next submitted is the form for goods offered from abroad, also duly signed. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Can we have a Facilities Protection Incorporated folder?
On record, Mr. Chairman, Facilities Protection Inc. submitted recent envelope, original copy, copy 1 and copy 2. On record, Mr. Chairman, for the same project, the amount, the bid amount is 10 million pesos. You decide. Next, bill of quantity submitted for two units under vehicle inspection system, amounting to 10 million. But exclusive. Signed. Also the bid for items abroad, duly signed. That's what Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Can we have Boston's folder, please?
On record, Mr. Chairman, Boston submitted 3 sealed envelopes, the original balance and component, the customer, and the customer. On record, Mr. The bid form of Boston for the same project. They offered an amount of 11,960,000, VAT excluded,
11,960.
duly signed. Bill of quantity submitted, 2 quantities of other vehicle inspection system, 11,960,000, VAT exclusive. Signed by Daniel G. Ubay. Price schedule also submitted from abroad, offered from abroad, duly signed, same price, but exclusive. That's all, Mr. Chairman.